Jamb 2010 Economics Past Question 43. Question 43 says the primary motive for an individual engaging in production is A. To make profits, B. To redistribute wealth, C. To satisfy human basic wants, D. To put inputs into use. Now, production is broken down into three. We have the primary production, we have the secondary production, and we have the tertiary production. Now our concern is primary production. So the primary production refers to the extraction of raw materials. Extraction of raw materials provided by nature. Brand production is basic for further production. Is the basis for further production, and they include mining, agricultural production, mining, fishing, and lumbering, etc. So that is this. So the purpose of the motive for an individual engaging in primary production, generally is to achieve option C, satisfaction of basic human wants. Thank you, and please subscribe for more questions.